someone's asked a question. I thought, why not share the tip with you and share the tip with the guys as well. If you have blue collar guys, and by blue collar guys, I mean people who aren't massively skilled, and you want to try breaking into companies who use these blue collar guys, truth is, look, your product is always your selling point. And by your product, I mean your candidate. That's always your selling point. And so if, for example, it was an engineer, and I wanted that engineer to get a job, obviously I would say, look, I've got this amazing engineer, you know, he's got X experience, it's rah, right? Now, if it's a warehouse person, then I can't be like, oh, he's got this skill and that skill and this, because it's not really a skill to pick things up, unfortunately, right? There's only so much selling you can do about your product. So what would you sell then? What I would personally sell is I would have 4 or 5 candidates together in one place. And I would say, I've got 4 or 5 guys. One guy can drive forklift. One guy's good at dispatch. One guy, he could do computing stuff. I've got 4 or 5 guys available. You know, any chance you might be looking for someone. So then I would make actually the fact that they need several people, I would make that the selling point, right? So I would still sell the product being the candidate, but I would just sell it in a different way. Rather than their skill set, I would sell the fact that I've got more of them. They're available maybe as soon as possible. Maybe you have referenced them. Maybe they have worked for your other company for a few years and that's why they're good. Maybe they're reliable. So I wouldn't sell their skill. I would sell something else that they have. So hopefully that makes sense. And that's how I would try to break into companies rather than making it all about the candidate itself. You know, hopefully that makes sense.